Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys a detailed tutorial on the thumbnail I used in one of my previous videos. So sit back and enjoy watching. Happy learning. So what I have here is my hair section into two, and as you can see, the front section is a little bit lesser than the back section, and I'm just gonna go in with my shine and jam to put my hair together in one place. And I also add a little shine and jam to the back section, so that way my I have like a clean parting to my hair, and in case my hair is showing at any point, that way it looks put together. So I'll let you guys watch and see how I'm achieving that. Alright, so I later went in with my Gorilla Gel to secure the hair in place, and then I tied my scarf so that way it can hold better. So that's what my hair currently looks like after about a few minutes of leaving the scarf on. So I went in to attach my wig, and then I'll use the wig clip to secure the wig in place so it's not shaking or moving around. Then I'll section a little portion of the hair, the hair from the wig, to wrap around my natural hair that is in the front. Alright, so go ahead and wrap your natural hair around itself, and then you're going to grab that piece of hair that we separated at the back to wrap around your natural hair. So you guys just watch me. So I basically just played around with the extension and try to wrap it around your natural hair. You might have to try a few times. And once you're done, you're going to go in with your bobby pin to secure that in place. I like what mine is looking like. So play around and see what you like. And we're all set and good to go. We're looking bougie. We're looking slay fly. Man, I'm in love with how this hairstyle looks. So go ahead and rock your gorgeous hairstyle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you like what you've seen so far. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.